Hello guys, welcome to Law Minds. I am Pranav Khandelwal, and in this video I am going to talk about the use of technology in law enforcement. So we all know what technology is, and so now I'm going to talk about how does the technology helps in law enforcement. So we know India is a huge country with 1.3 billion population, and our police is 192 per lakh of population, which is quite less than the recommendation of the United Nations, which is 222 per lakh population. So due to the advancement in the world and steep growth in the field of technology, it is very important for the police to adapt to the changing world. With the changing world, crimes have also evolved and have taken new form like cyberbullying, theft of money, data theft, ransomware, etc. etc. So, in this age, it is very important for the police to be equipped with the new age technology so that they can help people in faster way. So now I'm going to. So what are the current state of law enforcement technologies? Current state are surveillance systems, police body cameras, big data analytics, and drones. So surveillance systems, we all know CCTV cameras, that comes under the surveillance system, police body cameras, big data analytics. So there's a concept called predictive policing, which comes under the big data analytics, which I'm going to explain it in the next slide. And drones, of course. Next slide. Advantages of using technology in law enforcement. So what are the advantages? No, everything has two aspects. Let's start with advantages. So technology has all proved to be a boon for the police and has strengthened the criminal investigation, but we cannot overlook the challenges it has posed. So a strong relationship between the technology and the police would lead to a speedy criminal investigation, which would be very helpful to maintain the law and order. So, technology has reduced manual work to a great extent and digitalized data, which makes it easier to assess older files and understand the history of criminal or accused. So, however, technology has also been highly misused and has negatively affected a case. The media has been considered a fourth pillar of democracy. However, the recent rise in media trials has started adversely affecting the cases. They go out of their domain and start excessive reporting by approaching the victims or the accused family and publish it without giving much focus to verification. So, yes, improved efficiency, enhanced officer safety, effective crime prevention. These are all advantages of using technology. Now, disadvantages. So, everything comes at a cost. You know, so technology sometimes can be very expensive, like installing CCTV cameras is not cheap. So, there are also privacy concerns, like the use of surveillance technology raises concerns about privacy rights and potential abuse of power, technological dependence, equity, and access. These are all the disadvantages of using technology in law enforcement. So now, types of technology used in law enforcement. Surveillance technology includes CCTV, license plate recognition, gunshot detection, and other remote monitoring system. Forensic technology, DNA analysis, fingerprints recognition, ballistic identification, and other tools. Communication system. Communication, we all have seen policemen talking on their police radios. So that comes under communication systems. And an interesting fact about surveillance technology and the CCTV is Delhi has the most number of CCTVs in the world. So coming to the next slide. Examples of successful implementation of technology. Predictive policing. So now what is predictive policing? Predictive policing involves using algorithms to analyze massive amounts of information in order to predict and help prevent potential future crimes. So it is basically using the algorithms to analyze the data and see what type of crime at what place can be conducted. So another is smart surveillance. Advanced cameras paired with facial recognition technology aid in identifying suspects and solving crimes. Drone assisted search and rescue. So now, what are the issues related to privacy and civil liberties? Just a second. So technology has been evolving rapidly, we all know, and along with the association of technology and police in criminal investigation has been growing well. But even after so many technology being used, there is no proper legislation to regulate the relationship. In the absence of laws to regulate and specify the procedure for the use of technology, it is left to police itself to how this can be used. So there is an urgent need for the government accountability to have a proper legislation in order to smoothly conduct the law and order. It also raises the privacy concerns, ensure proper regulation and safeguards to protect individual privacy rights from unwarranted surveillance. And the last, proper usage guidelines. Establishing clear policies and guidelines outlining the permissible use and limitation of technology in law enforcement. So that is it from my side. Thank you for listening. See you.